The next step in the probate process is the creation of an inventory and appraisal. In this video, I'll discuss what an inventory and appraisal is, what to include in each section of the inventory and appraisal, and what a probate referee is. An inventory and appraisal is a document that simply lists every asset owned by the probate estate on the day that your loved one passed away. That's the important date for this, the day that they passed away. And when I say that the inventory and appraisal is going to list everything, I mean that. It's going to list everything of value that your loved one owned on the day that they died. The inventory and appraisal comes in two sections. Section 1 is a list of cash and cash equivalents. So what that really means is literally cash. If there's some cash that's, for instance, found in their home, that's going to be listed. Cash in a checking account, a savings account, anything like that in the bank will also be listed. And money market funds, funds that are always $1 in value, are considered a cash equivalent. They belong on attachment 1 as well. Attachment 2 to the inventory and appraisal has all of the non-cash assets. And here too, the probate code is literal. If it's not cash and it's got value, then it goes on attachment 2. So you're just gonna have a list of each and every item that's not cash that is going to have to be valued. And I say have to be valued because you don't supply the value for everything that's on attachment 2. Instead, that goes out to a probate referee. The completed inventory and appraisal gets sent to the probate referee. The probate referee is a neutral third party that's appointed by the probate court, and the probate referee is charged with providing that date of death valuation for all of the non-cash assets. The other thing the probate referee will do is quite literally add together the values of attachment 1, attachment 2, to give a total value for the estate. When this is completed, the INA will be sent to your attorney, and your attorney will file that inventory and appraisal with the court. The inventory and appraisal is a public record. It will let anybody who's interested know these are the assets that were owned by the decedent, this is their value on the day that they died. Now that you know what's in the probate estate, watch our next video on how to manage the assets in the probate estate. If you found this video helpful, then please hit the subscribe bell, leave us a comment. We'll be glad to respond if you do, and give us a thumbs up.